Hi everyone. So today I have completed another project and the task was to track the lead from submission and the cookie bot setup like GDPR maintains. Okay. So if you see this is built in React JavaScript framework and the process is a single page application, or you can say that SPA method, and it's a farmer framework. So let's see and it's working perfectly or not. Okay, so we are in Google Tag Manager, and let's preview from the Google Tag Manager. And if I click on CTA button, and here we will show a form, so lead form. So we have to track this form, right? So let's fill up this form with name and phone number as well, and let's submit the form. And let's see our form is submitted, and let's see it's working perfectly or not. So if you say that here we have used a custom data layer to track this form. So event name is form submit, and the I don't know the English of, maybe this is type, and first name, last name, phone number. That's all are working perfectly. And if you see here, our tag file like lead from submission, GA4 generated lead, Google Ads user provided data, and remove local storage. I will discuss in about it with after some time. So if you see it's working perfectly, and filing status is success, and generated lead in Google Analytics Pro, that's also success, and user provided data. We send the phone number because in our case we just can send the phone number. We don't have any email option there. So that's why it's working perfectly. And let's see how I did the setup. And in Tag Manager, if we open, so we use three type of custom HTML code because it's a single page application. So we used some tricks here. So first of all, we use the set item that like the first name, last name, phone number, and we store this item. This is on the local storage. Then in data layer, we take the data from the local storage by using get item from inputs, right? And with the form submit event name and everything, we send in the data layer. But another things is we remove the local storage, because if someone submit the form multiple times, like they are send their email, phone number, or anything else. So I saw that if we use just the local storage, that time we are facing issues to they are get item is working the previous one, so it's not updating. That's why I remove, because when audit from submitted, it will remove the local storage item. So if someone submit another time in future, so they will update it. Okay, so that's the thing, and it's working perfectly. And let's see about the concept. So if you see here, our concept is working perfectly. So that's it today. So if you need any assistant or help with your custom made form tracking, or single page application, please follow the description link. I'm happy to assist you. Bye.